So let's go ahead and open up 7.2. Consideration of video content encouraging vaccination in Lake County and approval for distribution via our county website and social media channels and any other available media outlets. So this was something that I originally thought about back in the early days of the pandemic, about putting out a video to ask people, please mask up, help us out. That was something that I retracted because it just didn't feel like the right timing, didn't feel like it was the most appropriate thing at the time. But then as we started looking at what's happening now with the new surge and the fact that we have a tool at our disposal and that some people are not yet using that tool to help reduce the potential for hospitalizations and death, which is what we're aiming for here. It's impacting our entire community when there's a lack of beds. Just to let you know, hopefully I'm not saying a bit more than I should, but I know that we've had ambulances wait 3 to 4 hours at our emergency room because there are no beds to put people in, to the point that they were stuck and couldn't go out to another call because they still had a patient in the back of their truck. They had set up a gurney on the side of the hallway in the emergency room to place those patients there. They were not admitted, but at least it freed up the ambulance to go back out and be able to help serve the rest of the public. That's the kind of situation we're seeing that is not a regular type of situation that we would typically see on an everyday basis, unless there's some sort of tragedy or huge incident that occurred. But this is a continuous issue in our hospitals. And we know from the numbers that we see, sometimes in the 90% quartile or sometimes higher, that the majority of the people hospitalized, large majority of the people hospitalized are unvaccinated. And an even larger percentage of people who die from COVID-19 are also unvaccinated. This is not an idea of forcing anybody. This is, we care about you and we want to see you and the rest of our community that needs our healthcare facilities to be available for the care they need. We want to make sure that we can reduce the burden as much as possible. So I put together the idea of putting the video together, sat down with our CAO, who allowed to use Matthew Rothstein, and also Sam Houston, who helped me out tremendously, both with the script and with the invitation to getting a lot of people to take part in this video. Very proud of the video that is going to be premiered to all of us in the county today. Really want to thank Sam. I think he was a standout person in this concept and in this project. I find it that it's not often that we have a vision of something and what is created is way further ahead of what that vision was. Sometimes our visions are impractical or unrealistic, but he took it to another level, and I can't appreciate the work enough that he has done for this video. And so I would like for us to take a look at the video, unless CAO Hutchinson has something to say before we start. And so Matthew Rothstein, if there's a way for you to please go ahead and share.
COVID-19 has affected all of our lives.
We have lost beloved family and friends far too soon.
Some of us are still struggling
due to the long-term effects of COVID-related illnesses.
Our businesses were shut down.
The way we work has forever changed.
Our children miss precious time with friends.
And month after month of classroom instruction.
Cases recently surged again in Lake County.
Our hospital beds were full, with many admitted patients struggling with the complications of COVID.
It grows increasingly difficult to find regional placements
for people needing a higher level of care.
We need your help so this doesn't happen again.
Wear a mask when you're indoors with people outside of your household, and make sure it's form-fitting and you have a good seal.
This very simple measure can be life-saving, but we each have to do our part.
The vast majority of people hospitalized with COVID-19 have been unvaccinated.
Help our healthcare workers.
Limit your risk of severe complications.
Help keep our schools and businesses open.
and reduce opportunities for the virus to mutate by getting vaccinated.
Click the links below this video to learn more.
And talk to your doctor if you still have questions.
Get vaccinated.
Do it for yourself.
Do it to keep your friends and family safe.
And most of all,
Do it for your community.
my name is Bruno Sabatier.
Dr. Diane Page.
Tina Scott.
Scott Knight.
Angela Cuellar Marroquin.
Brad Rasmussen.
Jessica Paiska.
Jeffrey Thomas.
Carrie Hollenbeck.
EJ Crandall.
Ernesto Padilla.
Ana Santana.
Dr. Paula Danda.
Moke Simon.
Russ Kramer.
Dirk Slotin.
Jim Steele.
Luisa Lopez Acosta.
Becky Salado.
Monica Rosenthal.
Mireya Turner.
Brock Falkenberg.
Annette Lee.
Voris Brumfield.
Pastor Shannon.
We are all vaccinated against COVID-19.
Please join us. Together,
We will get through this.
And I'm not sure how everyone's video was. I know my internet said it was unstable for a second there, but just know that it's perfectly smooth when you see it normally, not through Zoom. I know Zoom can sometimes agitate video play. My goal was to get a good cross-section of leadership within the county, leaders from the past, leaders from the present, leaders of the future, to really connect with our community with the message. And the message is, we need your help. It's not, again, a forceful mandate. It's not a forceful request. It's, we need your help. And we are looking to make that change so we can all move forward. And this is about protecting the public. This is about public health and how to move forward. And this is the best tool that we have at our disposal to make things happen. So I want to thank everybody that was a part of this video. Again, I think that the video is absolutely well produced and well put together. I want to thank Angela Cuellar and Luisa Lopez Acosta for helping with the translation as we have the subtitles in Spanish. And I know that also Sam Houston is working, since we had, I believe, 25 people that we had involved in this video recording. He's working on some other similar videos, but with more specific groups of people within. My goal, again, was diversity. And what I love from this video is it really exhibits the diversity within our community. And I'm actually I'm very proud of the work that was done. And again, taking that vision to the next level. And so I'll leave it at that for any comments from supervisors, and then opening it up for the public. All right, hearing none, let's go ahead and open it up for the public. Any comments from the public on this item? Carlos Bono.
Would you guys be against the my making a video to counter yours?
I am not going to abridge your freedom of speech to do what you want on a daily basis. So
would you present it? Would you present it in one of these meetings so that the other side of the argument can be heard?
No, I will not.
Okay.
And Kuchin Gary Thomas.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
If you could speak a little bit louder. It was difficult to hear you last time. I want to make sure everybody hears you.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So yeah, I liked the video. It was really, short. I wouldn't say short and sweet, but it was well thought out, and it probably took a lot of time to put something together. And it's just really simple. The message is really simple. We need the help. We need everybody to get together. Not just the supervisors, not just public health. It's just a world global thing. The entire states, everything. It's just, we need to come together. I wear a mask every day when I'm out. I know I hate wearing it, but it's just, It's just simple, you know. It's just a simple thing. Just wear a mask, and it's not that hard. But the people that make it difficult, it just makes it more complicated. So, good video to all of you guys that participated in that. That's all I got to say.
Thank you for your comment. And seeing no more public comment, let's go ahead and bring it back to the board. We are looking for approval of the video to be dispersed through our website, social media, and other media outlets. That is the action on this item.
So,
Supervisor Pesca.
you know, I'm grateful that we put this together. I know all of us believe in this message, and I move that we approve this video to be released on media and social media outlets.
I'll second.
We have a motion by Supervisor Pyska and a second by Supervisor Simon. And before we do roll call, CAO Hutchinson, you have your hand up?
Yes. My question could wait until after you're done, though, because it's about the distribution of it.
Okay. So Johanna, roll call, please.
Okay, Supervisor Simon.
Yes.
Supervisor Crandall.
Aye.
Supervisor Pyska.
Yes.
And Supervisor Sabatier.
Aye.
Thank you.
And CAO Hutchinson.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. The owner of Lakeport Auto Movies reached out to myself and also to the Health Services Director and offering to put up any promotional video like this on their movie screen for viewers at no charge to the county. And so the Health Services Director has suggested that this might be a great place to share this video. Does that sound like a reasonable place, a way to use it? I mean, among others, it'll be out on social media and in other places, but what do you think?
100%.
Great.
And I'm getting nods and everything else from other supervisors, so I think you have consensus from the board.
Thank you so much.
And thank you to the movie theater owner for reaching out. That's awesome. Really appreciate that.